Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to find out square root of a number using prime factorization method. It's a very simple method. You all already learned prime factorization method. So let's start. I've taken here two examples to explain the method. My first number is 1764. It's divisible by 2. Remember in one thing, when we say prime factorization numbers, whatever number we take to divide, it has to be a prime number. Like here 2 is a prime number. So after dividing, I got it 882. Again, I can divide it by 2. I got the answer as 441. I divided with 3, which is also a prime number. After dividing with 3, I got the answer 147. Again, dividing it with 3, I got the answer 49. This can be divided by another prime number, that is 7. I got 7 as the answer, that also divided, and last 1. So till my remainder is not 1, I have to keep on doing my method. If the remainder is not 1, that means we cannot find the perfect square of that number, square root of that number. Here 1764 is a number whose perfect square root can be found. Then I have written all the factors of 1764. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 7, because here we had twice 2, twice 3 and twice 7. Here comes the trick. To find out the square root, we just have to do a simple thing, that is, in place of the 2 2's, I will write only once 2. Here also we have 2 times 3, but I will be writing only once 3. We have 2 times 7, but I will be writing only once 7. So the square root of 1764 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that is 42. I'll explain it again with another example. Example 2025. I'll start with 3 because this number is divisible by 3. After dividing it with 3, I'll get 675. Again dividing it with 3, I'll get the number 225. Dividing by 3, 75. Dividing by 3, 25. Dividing by 5, 5. And 5 divided by 5, 1. So we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have used 4 3. So I've written here 1, 2, 3, 4. And twice we have used 5. So I've written 1, 2, 5. So now to find out square root of 2025, take 2, 3 at a time. Again pair, again next 3. So we have made the pair. See, this 3 will represent only one 3. This 2, 3 will represent another 3. And this is going to represent 5. This is representing 1 3. This will represent one more 3. This is representing 5. So square root is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is 45. Thank you.